ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ॐ। अथ अष्टमः पाठः विचित्रस्साक्षी। अयं पाठः ओमप्रकाशठक्कुर विरचितकथायाः सम्पादितः अंशः अस्ति। इयं कथा बङ्गसाहित्यकार बंकिमचंद्र चटर्जी द्वारा न्यायाधीशरूपेण प्रदत्तनिर्णयोपरि आधारिता अस्ति। अयं पाठः, दिस लेसन, ओम प्रकाश ठाकुर, his written by, penned down by him, कथा, the story penned down by him, कथायाः सम्पादितः अंशः अस्ति. This is a compilation, this is a small you say an excerpt taken from his katha. इयं कथा बंगसाहित्यकार बंकिमचंद्र चटर्जी द्वारा by the Banga Sahityakara, the Bengal Sahityakara, the literary poet who Bankim Chandra Chatterjee Dwara, through him, Nyayadhisha Rupena Pradatta Nirnaya Upari, Nyayadhisha Rupena, as a judge, Pradatta Nirnaya Upari, on the given verdict, Adharita Asti, it is based on the given verdict. Nyayakartaraha Satyasatya Nirnayartham यदा कदा तादृशीनां युक्तीनां प्रयोगं कुर्वन्ति याभिः प्रमाणं विनापि न्यायः स्यात्. So न्यायकर्तारः, the judges, सत्यासत्यनिर्णयार्थं, to distinguish between what is right and wrong and to take up firm stance on that, यदा कदा तादृशीनां युक्तीनां, as and when यदा कदा तादृशीनां युक्तीनां प्रयोगं कुर्वन्ति, they use some tactics by which yabhihi pramanam vinapi nyaya syat, even if there is no particular evidence as is retrievable, still a judgment can be given. Asyam kathayam api nyayadhishena tathaiva margah acharitah. Even in this story, the judge, the nyayadhisha, is going to go on the same track. Aschana nirdhano janah bhuri parishramya kinchid vittam uparjitavan. Some person, some nirdhana, a poor man, nirdhanah janah, dhanasya abhavah nirdhanam, that is the avyayi bhava samasa. But if you say nirgatam dhanam yasmat dhanam nirgatam, from whom dhana, the wealth has already left, from whom wealth has ran away, that he is called a nirdhana. Nirdhanah janah. Now here janah doesn't mean people, it means a person, in the ekvachan of a person. Bhuri parishramya, bhuri is too much, so much. Parishramya, after having toiled and having exerted himself, kinchid vittam uparjitavan, he could only earn a little amount of money, little sum. Uparjitavan is earn. Tena vittena स्वपुत्रम एकस्मिन् महाविद्यालये प्रवेशं दापयितुं सफलो जातः. तेन वित्तेन, by using that money, स्वपुत्रम, his son, ekasmin महाविद्यालये, in one of his large universities, famous institutions, pravesham dapayatum, to provide him entrance, to admit him into one of reputed institutions, saphalah jatah, it was successful. Tattanayah, tat tanayah is tasya tanayah, his son, tatraiva chhatravase nivasan, living in the same hostel there itself, adhyayanaye sanlagnah samabhut, he was engrossed and involved in studying, in the deeper study of whatever he had chosen. Samabhut, happened. Ekada sah pita tanujasya rugnatam akarnya व्याकुलो जातः पुत्रं द्रष्टुंच प्रस्थितः. एकदा, once upon a time, सः पिता, this father, तनूजस्य रुग्णताम् आकर्ण्य, his son's, tanuja is son, born out of his body is called a tanuja. Ja is born, tanu is from the body of who? Of the father, of course. Rugnatam akarnya, rugna is the deceased, not the DECEAST, this DI, disease. one who has a disease, Rugnatam Akarnya, after coming to know of this, of the disease of his son, that the ailment of the son was going through, Vyakulaha Jataha, he became anxious. Vyakula is anxious. Jataha, Putram Drashtum cha Prasthitaha. This is simple. Putram Drashtum, to see his son, Prasthitaha, he went away. He started on his journey. Param Arthakarshena Piditaha Saha Basyanam Vihaya Padatireva Prachalat. Param, but Arthakarshena, by the thinness of his pocket. Arthakarshena, this is nice. Artha is money. Arthakarshya. Krisha is thin, feeble, not fat. He didn't have a fat pocket. He had thin pockets, and which was torn also. Param arthakarshena saha peditaha. He was troubled by that, by having less money. Ataha saha basyanam vihaya. He didn't take a bus, yana, which is a bus itself, but padatireva prachalat. He traveled as a traveler. Padati, he is one who walks. Padati kramena sanchalan sayam. Padati kramena sanchalan. Sanchalan is which pratyayanta shatranta, present continuous. Padati kramena, by the process of going as a pedestrian. Padati kramena sanchalan, chalan, still going on. Sayam samaye, in the evening. Api asau gantavya dure asit. Sayam samaye api, even if it became, if it turned dusk, gantavyad, to the place where he had to go, which is the Chhatravasa, the university's hostel. From that, gantavyat dure asit. He was very far. So here, wherever dura comes, the Panchami Vibhakti should be used, as is evident in this usage. Gantavyat, which is the Panchami form, dure asit. Nishandhakare prasrite vijane pradeshe padayatra na shubhavaha. Nisha andhakare. Nisha is night. Andhakare, the darkness. The darkness of the night, prasrite, when it has spread across. Vijane pradeshe, where there are no people, is called a vijana. Vigataha janaha yasmat saha. Yasmat pradeshat vijanaha janaha nirgataha. From which place there is no evidence of human travel. From that place, padayatra na shubhavaha. To travel on foot is not recommended. Shubhavaha is not auspicious, or it is not good. Evam vicharya saha parshasthite grame ratri nivasam kartum kinchit grihastham upagataha. So thinking this way, evam vicharya saha parshasthite grame, in just the neighboring village there, he quickly went there. Ratri nivasam kartum, to spend the night. Ratri nivasam kartum kanchit grihastham upagataha. He went to some householder, that is to some house, and he went inside. Karuna paro grihi tasmai ashrayam prayachat. Karuna paraha. Karuna eva paraha yasya saha. Yasya paraha. His ultimate goal, his ultimate desire in life, or he's forever thinking this as an ideal, is para. What is that ideal for him? It is karuna itself. Thinking compassion itself to be greatest. That grihi, that householder, that person whose house it was, grihin is the shabda, pratipadika there. Tasmai ashrayam prayachat. Dasmai is here to the pitre, to the father. Ashrayam, he gave he allowed him to spend the night in his house. Vichitra daivagatihi. Tasyameva ratrau tasmin grihe kaschana chauraha grihabhyantaram pravishtaha. Vichitra daivagatihi. Now it's perplexing. Daivagatihi is the events that unfold as per destiny. They are perplexing and wonderful in a bad sense. Tasyameva ratro, in the same night, tasmin grihe, into the house that he had taken refuge in, kaschana chauraha grihabhyantaram pravishtaha. to on the same day and to the same house, a thief entered. Graha abhyantaram pravishtaha. He came inside. Tatra nihitam ekam manjusham adaya palayitah. Tatra nihitam ekam. Nihita is sthapita, that which was kept there secretly. Ekam manjusham, one pettige, one box of maybe a treasure trove, as to say. Adaya, taking it. Palayitah, he ran away. चौरस्य पादध्वनिना प्रबुद्धो अतिथिः चौरशङ्कया तमन्वधावत्. Chaurasya padadhvinan, by the footsteps that he took quickly, Prabuddha Atitihi, the Atithi which was the father here, Prabuddha, he became aware, he came back, he was woken up. Chaura Shankaya, and he doubted if a thief would have come here. Shanka is doubt. Tamanvadhavat, tam, Chauram, Anvadhavat, Anu Adhavat. He ran away, he chased him. Agrinhacha, and he caught him also. Wow, this guy is a fast runner. Param vichitramaghatata, but something else happened. Chauraha eva uchchaihi kroshitumārabhata. The thief himself began shouting at the top of his voice. Uchchaihi. Kroshitum is to shout aloud. Arabhata, he began. Now this is similar to where Marichi, the Maricha in the Ramayana, na? Maricha was, when he was hunted down by Rama, he himself began shouting so as to attract and entice Lakshmana. Similarly, here Chauroyam iti uchchaihi akroshitum arabhata. So he began shouting that this guy is a thief. Tasya taraswarena. Taraswarena is the swara, the sound which reached the stars, the star striking sound. Tasya taraswarena prabuddhaha gramavasinaha. Those gramavasina, the villagers they became awake. They were awakened, only, correct, yeah. Swagrihat nishkramya. They came away, they exited from their houses, that is, they came out. Tatra agachan. They came to this place where this drama was happening. Varaka athitim eva, the innocent. Varaka is innocent. Athitim eva, this who had come here, the father himself. Athitim eva cha chauram matva abhartsayan. They thought himself, this guy, the father, to be a chaura, a thief, and they abhartsayan. They started hurling abuses at him. Yadyapi gramasya arakshi eva chaura asit. But the twist is, gramasya arakshi, the village's police, the policeman, arakshin iti shabdaha. Eva choraha asit. Now this chora, who was the real chora, the real thief, was himself a policeman. Tat kshanameva raksha purushaha tam atithim chauroyam iti prakhyapya karagrihe prakshipat. Now tat kshanam eva, that very moment, raksha purusha, which is the same arakshi, who is the same real chora, tam atithim chauraha ayam iti prakhyapya. Now he definitely alleged that this is a thief, and so karagrihe prakshipat. Now he put him behind bars in the jail. Agrime dine saha arakshi chauryabhiyoge tam nyayalayam nitavan. Now agrime dine, the next day, this policeman wanted to he took the abhiyoga. Abhiyoga is accusation. Chaurya abhiyogene, under the pretext of theft, he took this man, the father, to Nyayalaya, to the court. Nitavan, he took him. Nitavan is the tavatu pratyaya, right? Ni is the dhatu, tavat iti pratyayaha, nitavat. Then in the pratama vibhakti pullinga ekavachana, it becomes nitavan. Nyayadhisho bankima chandraha ubhabhyam prithak vivaranam shrutavan. Nyayadhisha bankima chandra. Now the Bankim Chandra judge was himself the Nyayadhisha judge there. Ubhabhyam prithak vivaranam shrutavan. Ubhabhyam. Here Tritaya vibhakti. Ubhabhyam, by them. by the two people. Ubhabhyam is a pair. Ubha is pair. Prithak Prithak Vivaranam Shrutavan. They heard different stories from both of them. Sarvam Vrittam Avagatya Satam Nirdosham Amanyata Arakshanancha Dosha Bhajanam. Sarvam Vrittam Avagatya. Now he was very intelligent. Yes, judges are very clever. So he could make out that this man, the father, was a nirdoshi, niraparadhi. He was not guilty. He was innocent. But arakshanancha dosha bhajanam, and he came to know that the police himself was the wrongdoer. Kintu pramana abhavat saha nirnetum na shaknot. Kintu pramana abhavat, because of a lack of evidence, pramanasya abhavat saha nirnetum na shaknot. He couldn't take a decision, he couldn't give a verdict. Tattah asau tau agrime dine upasthatum adishtavan. Tataha asau. Asau is saha. It is from the adas shabda. Adas. Sakaranta pullinga shabda. It is a sarvanama pada itself. Asau means saha. Tataha asau tau agrime dine upasthatum adishtavan. Tau agrime dine. Now he adishtavan. He ordered that tau, those two, should come the next day. Should be present the next day. Anye dihu is the next day. Tau nyayalaye swaswa paksham punah sthapitavantau. Again they put forth their individual cases. Nyayalaye swaswa paksham, their own cases, their own defenses and arguments they put forth. Tadaiva kaschit tatratyah karmachari samagatya. Kaschit karmachari. Karmachari is worker there, a servant or a peon. Tatratyah is that who belongs to that place. Tatratyah. Tya is the pratyaya, again tadhita. Tatra is there. So the karmachari who belonged to the court, it means. Samagatya nyavedayat. Ni avedayat. In the bhutakala langlakara. Ni avedayat. Niveditavan. He complained that itaha kroshadvayantarale, itaha kroshadvaya antarale. Kroshadvaya, it could be probably a kilometer, or the krosha is a measure, a unit of measure. Kroshadvaya is 2 of that. Antarale, within 2 kilometer radius. Kaschit janaha kenapi hataha. Someone has been killed. Kenapi, by someone else. Kenapi kaschit janaha hataha. Hataha is killed, murdered. Tasya mritashariram rajamargam nikasha vartate. Tasya mritashariram, the dead body, rajamargam nikasha. It is close to it is near the highway, the national highway. Rajamarga is the national highway. Vartate. Now nikasha is close by. Always the close by should be this nikasha word, and samaya, nikasha, all of this should be used with dvitiya vibhakti. So we see that in rajamargam. Is dvitiya vibhakti. Rajamargam nikasha vartate. Adishyatam kim karaniyam iti. Now please let it be ordained to me what should be done. Kim karaniyam iti. Nyayadheshaha arakshinam abhiyuktancha tam shavam nyayalaye anetum adishtavan. Now something still wondrous happened. The judge Nyayadheshaha arakshinam abhiyuktamcha, the policeman as well as the accused thief, the father, cha tam shavam, to bring that dead body, nyayalaye, to the court, anetum adishtavan. No, he ordered them to bring the dead body themselves, only the 2 of them, to the court. Adesham prapya ubhau prachalatam. Now since it is an order, the court order, they had to follow it, and so adesham prapya, having been ordered thus, ubhau prachalatam, the 2 of them, they went away. Tatra upetya, they came to that place where near the national highway. Tatra upetya kashtha patale nihitam patachaditam deham skandhena vahantau nyayadhikarinam prati prasthitau. न्यायाधिकरणं प्रति प्रस्थितौ काष्ठपटले what is kashtha are those sticks that people use to carry the dead, no, from their home to the cremation grounds. That is the kashtha patala. Patala is a collection of it. Kashtha patale, we also see it in the ambulance but by taking away the patients. Kashtha patale nihitam, it was kept under the body was kept on those collection of these wood twigs and pieces. Nihitam pata achaditam. Pata is a cloth, a white or a white cloth usually. Achaditam, it was clothes, it was covering the body. Deham, this body. Skandhena vahantau, they were carrying it on their skandha. Skandha is shoulder. Skandhena vahantau. Nyayadhikaranam prati, towards the court. Nyayadhikara is court itself. Prati prasthitau, towards it. As I already said it, prati should always go with tvitiya vibhakti. So nyayadhikaranam is the tvitiya. Prasthitau, they started. Arakshi supushta deha asit. The policeman, because of his training in the academy, was very well built. Abhiyuktascha ativa krishakayah. And we know that the father, the accused thief, the alleged thief, was very poor. He had barely enough money to buy bread for his mouth for a day. And so Krishakaya, he was very thin, he was feeble and weak. Bharavataha shavasya skandhena vahanam tatkrite dushkaram asit. And so he couldn't carry the probably 70 to 80 kg weight of the shava, of the corpse, on his shoulders. Tatkrite dushkaram, it was very difficult, asit. Saha bharavedanaya krandate, he would shout out in pain at the weight of his of the body on his shoulders. Krandati sma. Sma again means a bhutakala. Bhutakala vachake, you have to always use with sma lat lakara. So krandati is in the lat lakara, the present tense, but when it goes along with sma, it miraculously changes that into the past tense. Tasya krandanam nishamya, hearing this guy's cries of pain, mudita arakshayi tamuvacha. Muditaha, he became happy. Wow. Mudita arakshi tam uvacha. Muditaha arakshi, the policeman, tam uvacha, he spoke to him. What did he say? Re dushta tasmin dine tvaya aham choritaya manjushaya grahanat varitaha. Re dushta, oh evil man, tasmin dine, that day, tvaya aham choritaya manjushaya grahanat varitaha. Now you prevented me by your actions and you caught me red-handed. So my intention, my wish of carrying away that treasure trove was unfulfilled. Varitaha, and I was prevented from doing that. Now so, and it seems that you have done a sin in not letting me carry away that treasure. Idanim nijakrityasya phalam bhangsha. Now you have accrued sin for that, right? Now you are just enjoying its fruits. Idanim nijakrityasya phalam, the fruits of your own actions, of your karma phala. Bhungshva, eat it well. Yes, you have to have that pain of carrying this body for your own evil deeds and sin. Asmin chauryaabhiyoge tvam varshatrayasya karadandam lapsyase. Now in this accusation of under the pretext of being a thief, for sure you are going to go to the jail and remain there for 3 whole years. Varshatraya, traya is 3. Tvam varshatrayasya lapsyase, for sure you are going to get it in the near future itself. Iti prochya, saying thus, uchchaihi ahasat, he guffawed. Wow, as if I've achieved successfully in accusing this guy. Yatha kathachit ubhau shavanam aniya ekasmin chatvare sthapitavantau. Yatha kathachit ubhau. Yatha kathachit, by whatever means, by hook or by crook, they somehow managed to get this corpse into the Nyayalaya, keep it there in a corner, chatvare, in a corner, they put it down. Nyayadhishena punastau पुनः तौ घटनायाः विषये वक्तुमादिष्टौ. Again, for the third time, the Nyayadhisha, the judge is asking them to explain their own cases again and again. Vaktum adishtau, they were told, they were commanded. Arakshini nijapaksham prastutavati आश्चर्यम अघटत. आरक्षिणी निजपक्षम प्रस्तुतवती. Now this is a prayoga called the Sati Saptami Prayoga. Now Arakshini is the Saptami form. Prastutavati again the Saptami form. It means Arakshini, when the policeman was Prastutavati Nijapaksham, was explaining and putting forth his arguments for his case. Nijapaksham Prastutavati. That is one clause. Then Ascharyam Aghatad. There happened a wonder, a miracle. Saha Shavaha Pravarakam Apasarya. Pravarakam, a shawl or that white cloth that was covering his body. Saha, that corpse suddenly stood up. Pravarakam Apasarya Nyayadhisham Abhivadya Niveditavan. Facing Nyayadhisha, Abhivadya is to prostrate or to salute the Nyayadhisha, and then Niveditavan. He complained or he told this news. He brought this news out that Manyavara, O Your Honor, Etena Arakshina Adhvani Yaduktam Tad Varnayami. Etena Arakshina. Now by this policeman, Adhvani is on the way. On the way is Adhvan is the way. On the way or in the way. That is the little meaning. Adhvani Yad Uktam. What he said, what he told. Tad Varnayami. I will for sure explain it to you. Varnayami. I will explain it in great detail itself. He said verbatim, Tvayaham choritayaha manjushayaha grahanad varitaha adaha nijakrityasya phalam bhungshva asmin chauryaabhiyoge tvam varshatrayasya karadandam lapsyase iti. Now like a duta would do it, like a messenger would do that. He quoted him verbatim, whatever he said, whatever the policeman said on the way to this father. Nyayadhishaha arakshine Karadandam Adishya Tanjanam Sasammanam Muktavan. Now hearing this, now this was the perfect, the only evidence that was needed for the judge to give a judgment. Therefore, Nyayadhisha Arakshine, to the policeman, Karadandam Adishya. He ordained the Karadanda to be the punishment of being behind the bars. Tam janam, now that person, the father, sa sammanam muktavan, sammanena sahitam, sa sammanam, with a lot of respect, because he was currently the accused, and so as a compensation he probably spoke good words about him, and with a lot of respect he muktavan, he set him free. Ata evochyate, therefore it is said, what is it said? Dushkaranyaphi karmani mati vaibhavashaliнаha nitim yuktim samalambya leelayaiva prakurvate. Dushkaranyaphi karmani mati vaibhavashaliнаha nitim yuktim samalambya leelaya eva prakurvate. Leelayaiva prakurvate. Dushkarani api karmani, even if the karma, the actions, the job is dushkara, is difficult. Mati vaibhava shalinaha. But if a person has mati vaibhava, if his mind, his intellect is sharp, and if it is glorious and beautiful, vaibhava shalinaha, and clever to think such ideas, nitim yuktim samalambya, by niti, by justice, yuktim, by such clever plans, samalambya, by resorting to such either justice or by righteous plans and sketches, leelaya eva prakurvate. Leelaya, it is very easy, as though it is a play. Leelaya eva prakurvate, it will happen. Justice will be given. Prakurvate. Dhanyavadaha.